Do you guys remember those cute little pumpkins that we put together? Well, today we are going to put together a full project using them, and I am so excited to bring this one to you. Thanks so much for tuning in, and today I'm going to show you how to use your scraps and things that you have lying around to make a cute little sign. So the first thing that I'm going to use is this canvas. Now you can get this from a lot of different places. If you do not have one, we do have a banner refill that you can purchase. However, you can get one of these off an old canvas frame, off old pillows. You can even just use a piece of fabric if you want. It doesn't even have to be canvas. So go ahead and look around your house and see what you have. What we're going to do is we are going to chalk directly onto that fabric or that canvas, and we are going to make a cute little stuffy that we are then going to add to a sign. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in a little bit. So I wanted to pop on real quick and show you the second part of the sign. This is the bag that we are going to put those stuffies into. Right now my hot glue gun is not hot, so the adhesive runner to the rescue. I am just going to apply this using that double-sided sticky tape. It will work for now, but I wanted to pop on and show you guys that if you are using a paper, such as this craft bag or a paper bag, anything like that, even just computer paper, make sure to go ahead and rub a layer of wax on that. Also, I want to let you guys know the colors that I'm using, which came out absolutely gorgeous on this craft background, are colonial blue, orange peel, and black velvet. Thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of the video, guys. Okay, so now it's time to put everything together, and I just wanted to hop on real quick and give you guys a couple of tips and techniques when building these stuffies. These stuffies, as you can tell, I am going to cut around the shape on the outside. Now, the more creative you get with the outline of this, the better off I think that they look. But either way, just go ahead and cut, making sure to leave about a 1/2 inch or more on the outside of that fabric, because we're going to need it to stuff some poly stuffing into it. As you can tell, on my second one, I left that piece completely large. I then went around my glue gun only about 75% of the way. I left that top open so I could stuff this stuffing in it. Then I'm gonna see all of my weak open spots, and I'm gonna go back through with my glue gun and just make sure that they are closed so no stuffing falls out. And then I'm gonna close up the top of my stuffy. And it's just glue. And then I'm gonna take my scissors and I'm gonna go around the outside, and I'm gonna trim it even. I've made a few of these for a couple different years now, and this is the best way to do it. If you have any other tips or techniques when making these cute little stuffies, make sure to leave them below. I love using these. They are such great accent pieces to tiered trays, and even to signs, as you will see. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and don't be afraid to grab things that you already have on hand. Chalk Couture makes it so simple. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and make sure to share. I'll see you at the next video.